Hello everyone, Shanta here. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. So welcome to the month of September, our collab that is hosted by Poetspice. So this month we are doing Christmas related projects. You guys know I love Christmas. The title, as you see in the video, is Gingerbread, but we are allowed to use any Christmas theme that we want to use every Monday at the same time each Monday. I am super excited about it. You guys know that I love Christmas. It's my thing. I do it year round. So this is right up my alley. And so in this collab, I'm trying to use items that I bought that I haven't used yet. Excuse me. So that is you know, one of the things that I always like to try to add. So thank you again so much, Jamie, for hosting this collab for us. Thank you so much for letting me come along. I hope you guys all like what I created. Please rate, comment, and subscribe to all our channels and show us some crafty love. And on to the next clip. And I'm sure there's going to be giveaways along the way as well. All right, you guys, on to the next clip. Bye. All right, everybody, I am back. Okay, so let me show you what I used for today's project. I used this chalkboard Christmas stamp set that is well loved and used by my creative time. I used this same die set again, since it was out by Tonics. This die right here. From Finding Trading, I guess. This stamp set right here, again, mini Christmas greeting, because this is what it was out. So once I got through with last Monday's project, I just went on and started on this one. So I'm just recording the video early and all of that. All right, so papers. I used a sheet out of this Dots and Stripe by Echo Park. And I used this kit. It was part of this kit. Have a Very Merry Christmas kit that we got from Create and Craft. I think we got it in it says 2015, but I think I got this in 2016. But regardless, it hasn't been used. As you can see, this the plastic that it came in, all the pieces and everything. I haven't used any of that, so I'm not going to show that, but it came with dies, stencils. It was a humongous kit. I want to say Jamie is the one that did the video and showed us, and I went over there, and that was my first time ordering from them. And I ordered a bunch, like 3 or 4 of those kind of kits from Create and Craft. I don't know. But anyway, I made a set of 12 like origami fold type cards or fun fold. I forget the name. The name will be in the title of the description bar below. So the lady that showed you how to do them, and I will link her video, she's a she used one sheet of 12 by 12. I think it was 3 altogether, but I didn't want all of my cards to look the same, so I just did a strip out of different pieces of the cardstock. Okay, so here is the first one. You can see that fold right there. She shows you how to make that, and then it has the other side of the paper sticking out. Excuse me. And then I just stamped the inside with that. All of the insides are stamped the same, so it's not going to be a need for me to show you, open up each one of them. This is another one. And the design, I changed the design to this right here. This is the original card that she shows us how to make, but I just flipped it so that they wouldn't all be the same. That's from the Dots and Stripes. Very easy technique to do. I like making different folds of cards that I would have never did. And also, this is going to be a 2-for-1. I am actually in a swap in a Facebook group, and I'm going to send one of the cards as a swap too. So, and then the rest of them I have to give out or whatever the case may be. But I hope you guys like my 12 of cards. Like I said, I just mixed and matched the papers that were in them. I tried to make sure that they looked okay. I like some more than others, but you know how that goes. But yeah, I hope you guys like my gingerbread and ornament cards. And make sure you check out the other ladies in the collab. See what they made for you on today. And y'all get to making the Christmas projects instead of waiting till the last minute. That's why I used to do it year round, because, you know, life has a way, child. Life has a way. All right, you guys. The brown is, I forgot to say, the brown is Paper Tray ink. The white is Recollection. And you already seen where the pattern paper came from. All right, that is it. You guys have a blessed day. I'll be back with another video. Bye.